The best cheesecake I've ever had.
እንደዚህ የተደነቀውን የብሪስኮፍ ቺዝ ኬክ እንዴት እንደተሰራ ነው ማሳያችሁ። መጀመሪያ ክሪም ቺዝ፣ ቫኒላ ኤክስትራክት ኤንድ ሄቪ ዊፕ ክሪም አድርገን ሚክስ አረግነው። ከዛ ሹገር አረግንበት እና ብሪስኮፍ ክሪም ቨርዥኑ ነበረን እሱን አረግንበትና በደንብ ሚክስ ካረግነው እንደምታዩት። ከዛ ብሪስኮፍ ኩኪውን ራሱን ክራከሩን whatever you call it እንደዚህ ድቅቅ አረግነውና በተር አርገን በደንብ ሽታ አረግነው። ከዛ በኋላ that was our first layer። ከዛ እንደዚህ በደንብ ድምድም ካረግነው በኋላ our cream cheese mixture አረግነው and then እሱን ካረግን በኋላ እንደዚህ ለስን አርጋችሁ ፍሪጅ ውስጥ አረጉታላችሁ። ትንሽ ደረቅ እንዳለ አውጣታችሁ የብሪስኮፍ በተሩን አቅለጣችሁ ትንሽ ከላይ እንዲታፈሱታላችሁ ማለት ነው። ከዛ እንደገና ፍሪጅ ውስጥ አግብታችሁ እንደገና አውጣታችሁ ነው ይሄንን ከላይ የምትበትኑበት እንደፈለጋችሁ። so you don't have to. This was the final product. I hope you guys actually make it and try it. It was so good. It was worth everything. እኔ ሳሎን ምስክሮቼ ይነግሯቸዋል እንዴት አሪፍ እንደነበር።
Cheers. It's really good, but there's a hint of something. I can't pinpoint it. I like that the filling is not too sweet. There's something tarty.
How's the first layer? The bottom.
So good.
Yeah?
Very nutty, very biscoffy, very moist. It's not like crumbling in my mouth.
Okay.
Rating?
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. I'll say 9 out of 10. It's a little sweet. I love it. Still good. I'll say 9 out of 10 because there's some flavor that's sticking out. I can't pinpoint it though. It's really good. It's really coffee. Something tarty. Really? I can taste the Biscoff. That's the only thing I can taste.
Yay! What do you give it?
It's really good. 10 out of 10. Yes. The best cheesecake I've ever had. No, I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, it's really good, I swear.
Bonus?
Cheesecake.
Now what I would dip good.
Well, yeah.
What do you give it, Gloria?
I give it a 10 out of 10. Thank you.
Nadir,
I like it. I like it. በጣም ስለሚጣፍጥ What's really nice? እንደውም 10 አድርጌዋለሁ። ገልገላችሁን ስጋውን አድርቃችሁት እንጀራውን
Gotcha.
I would like to preface the 10 out of 10s made the dish. Yeah.
Nice. Yay.
I want another slice for myself.
Which one?